BMW will build and deliver all Skytop cars in 2025. Regardless of how many models BMW has in its already vast lineup, some people still want more. For that extra layer of bespoke, the Bavarian marque is bringing back the lost art of coach building. The process started with the 3.0 CSL launched in 2022 to celebrate 50 years of M. It was a throwback to the Batmobile with the firm's most potent inline-six engine ever and the highest asking price of any model to carry the roundel. Then, the Concept Touring Coupe came along in 2023 as a revival of the clown shoe. However, the Z4 M40i-based shooting brake was not approved for production, although it came close. Last year, BMW penned another gorgeous car, the Skytop. Sending strong Z8 vibes, the M8-based convertible with a removable Targa roof received the green light from higher-ups. We've now talked to the BMW Group's head of design to learn more about the stunning two-seater cabrio. Adrian van Hooijdonk told us all 50 cars will be manufactured this year and delivered to their rightful owners. The Skytop, long sold out, will be a spitting image of the namesake concept from 2024. Only one or two small details will change, and the design head honcho told us parking sensors will be added. The intricate exterior finish with a muted silver look created by a master painter at BMW's Dingolfing plant in Germany will be carried over. We can say the same about the headlights, which Adrian van Hooijdonk says they're the slimmest he has ever seen on a production vehicle. The thin strip of LEDs for the taillights will also be found on those 50 cars.